Okay, so we had to do 2 movies today because we accidentally skipped your movie yesterday, and we were just working on some of the problems in the chapter, and we came across this very difficult looking problem, but you had an excellent solution, and I'd like you to explain your solution to it, because this is a very, very challenging square root problem.
Well, what I did, you can factor all of the numbers, so it is 2 cubed.
Okay.
6 is 2 times 3. And then you have to factor 147.
Ooh, that looks pretty challenging to me.
Well, you can add the digits and see. I think it's divisible by 3. So you get, you can do things. 2, 7. So 3 times 9 is 27. So we get 3 times 49. And then 49, we know that's 7 times 7, which are both prime. So there's 4 2s, so it's 2 to the 4th times 3 squared times 7 squared.
Very interesting.
And then what you can do to find the square root of this, you can take half of it.
Okay.
So you can take 2 squared times 3 to the 1 times 7 to the 1.
And why when you take the square root do you take half of the powers?
Because when you take half, you're left with the same thing. You're left with 2 of the same thing. And the square root of something, you're multiplying 2 of them together to get the square.
Okay. Okay, so why does 2 squared times 2 squared equal 2 to the 4th?
Because when you're multiplying, the powers also multiply, because this is just 2 squared is just 2 times 2.
Yeah.
Times 2 times 2.
Interesting.
2 squared times 2 squared, and then you have 4 2s, it's 2 to the 4th.
Okay. What would 2 cubed times 2 cubed be?
Well, that would be 2 to the 9th.
Write it out. 2 cubed times 2 cubed.
Well, we got 2 times 2 times 2 times
2 cubed squared, right?
2 cubed squared, so times 2 times 2 times 2.
Okay. So how many 2's do we have?
Well, we have 6 2s, so maybe the powers add.
Powers add.
Yeah.
When you multiply, the powers add. And so that's why you can divide by 2 there. So 3 to the 1 times 3 to the 1 is?
It's 3 squared.
3 squared.
So, and now what we do is, then we multiply this together, we get 21 times 4. That would turn out to be, let's see, 84. So it's 84. And then this square root of 8 times 6 times 147, 84.
Wow. Did you know that?
No.
No. I don't think anybody knows that. But your way of working through that problem and figuring it out was really good.